In this video, you're going to see how to fix this error. This site can't be reached in Google Chrome. If you're getting the same error in your browser, then you're in the best video. So in order to fix the problem, you need to open up your Google Chrome browser. Then here you need to click on these three dots. Then click on this settings. Then after that, then you have to click on privacy and security. Then click on clear browsing data. Then here select all time. Check all of these boxes. Then click on clear data. After doing that one, then you have to go into the reset and cleanup. Then you have to click on restore settings to their original default. Then you have to click on reset setting. After doing that, then you have to close your Google Chrome browser. Then open CMD. We will open CMD as administrator and choose yes. Then you have to type a command called ipconfig /plus DNS. Now it will plus your DNS. Then after doing that, then you have to reset your IP address. We are going to do it by net sh IP reset. I have typed the wrong one, so I have to type net sh int IP reset. After doing that one, it will reset your IP address. Now after doing that, you have to go into the control panel. Then you have to go to network and internet. Then click on network and sharing. Then here you will find your internet connection. If it is on Wi-Fi, then you have to click on Wi-Fi. I am on Ethernet, so I will click on Ethernet. Then I will click on properties. Then I will double click on TCP IPv4. Then I will click on use the following DNS server address. Then here I will add Google DNS server. And you have to type 8. Then type 8 and 4 and 4. That is Google DNS server. Then I have to click on OK. For doing that, click on OK. Then click on close. Now you're all done. Now last thing we need to do is we have to go into the services. Then make sure that DNS client is working. As you can see that DNS client is working on my computer. If it is not running, then you have to run this. Now after doing that, after doing all the process, then you have to check that your website is working or not. But if that didn't work, then you can try switching your browser. If you're opening the website in Google Chrome, you can install Brave browser or you can install Firefox to fix your error. But otherwise, the last option that we have, we can uninstall and then we can reinstall the Chrome browser. To do that, go into your control panel. Then you can click on programs. Then click on uninstall a program. Then you have to double click on Google Chrome. Are you sure you want to uninstall Google Chrome? Click on yes. Then click on yes. Now we will download Google Chrome again. So for that one, I will use my Brave browser to download the Google Chrome. Let me just open it. Now after installing the Google Chrome, then you can download the Chrome installer. To do that, I'll put down the download link in my description. Just go ahead and you have to download the file. Let me just open the file. So here is the Chrome standalone setup64.exe. Then you have to double click on it. Now it will take a little bit of time to install Google Chrome in your browser. Now you just have to wait for that to complete the whole process. Now it will ask you to allow, then you have to click on yes. So this is an offline installer. You don't have to worry about your internet. Now when you double click on it, and then it will just install it. As you can see that I have successfully installed Google Chrome in my browser. If you open any website, and then you will not face any error like this site can't be reached or any other problem. So hope you guys found this quick video helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, then you can contact me at errorinminute/contact us. I'll put down the contact link and also my description. Just go ahead and contact me.